Fed Chair Powell meets Trump, reaffirms monetary policy independence amid rate cut pressure. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell met with President Donald Trump at the White House on May 29, 2025, in their first direct discussion since Trump resumed office. The meeting focused on economic growth, employment, and inflation, with Powell emphasizing that monetary policy decisions will be based solely on objective, non-political analysis of incoming economic data. Despite Trump's persistent calls for rate cuts, Powell maintained the Fed's independence and refrained from discussing specific policy moves. The White House confirmed that the meeting occurred at Trump's invitation, marking the first direct encounter between the two since Trump's return to office. Powell and Trump discussed broad economic topics including growth, employment, and inflation, without delving into specific forecasts or policy decisions. Powell stressed that the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, will set monetary policy based solely on careful, objective, and non-political analysis, underscoring the Fed's legal mandate to promote maximum employment and price stability. The Fed statement clarified that Powell did not share expectations or plans for future interest rate changes, emphasizing that policy will depend entirely on incoming economic data. Trump has repeatedly criticized Powell for not lowering interest rates faster, calling him too late Powell and suggesting that the Fed's approach puts the U.S. at an economic disadvantage compared to countries like China. While Trump has publicly condemned Powell and once considered firing him, he recently stated he does not plan to remove the Fed chair, though speculation about such moves has unsettled markets. Financial markets have shown unease over any perceived political interference with the Fed, which is widely regarded as crucial to maintaining economic stability and investor confidence. Powell's cautious stance reflects concerns about the economic impact of Trump's tariff policies, which could raise inflation and complicate the Fed's efforts to balance growth and price stability. Traders expect the Fed to hold rates steady through mid-year, with a possible quarter-point cut by December, as the central bank monitors inflation trends and economic risks. This meeting highlights the delicate balance between the White House's economic agenda and the Federal Reserve's commitment to independent, data-driven policymaking amid ongoing economic uncertainties.